Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. Welcome back to today's online class. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. In the previous class, we discussed about transposition method and we solved some of the problems. In today's class, we are going to continue the same concept, that is transposition method. Here, we are going to solve some problems. The first one is solve 14 is equal to 7x by 10 minus 8. Here we need to find the value of x. Let us solve and find the value of x. The first one, solution. 14 is equal to 7x by 10 minus 8. Here we need the value of x, so I shift minus 8 to LHS. This is LHS and this is RHS. 14, when we shift minus 8 to LHS, it becomes plus 8 is equal to 7x divided by 10. Now 14 plus 8 is 22 is equal to 7x by 10. Now we need the value of x, so we have to cross multiply with 10. 22 tens are into 10 is equal to 7x. 22 tens are 220 is equal to 7x. We need the value of x, so x 220 is equal to x. Now bring 7 to denominator. The value of x is 220 by 7. I understood. We need the value of x. The x value is 220 by 7. Shall we go to the second one? If x by 5 minus 9 is equal to 1, then solve for x. Listen here, they given the problem. If x by 5 minus 9 is equal to 1, then solve for x. By using this, we need to find the value of x. Let us find solution. X by 5 minus 9 is equal to 1. Now we need the value of x. So I will shift minus 9 to RHS. X by 5 is equal to 1 minus 9 to RHS, it becomes plus 9. So x by 5 is equal to 1 plus 9 is 10. Now we have to cross multiply with 5. X is equal to 10 into 5. X is equal to 10 5s are 50. We got the value of x for a given equation. Dear children, for this method we solved two problems. There are few more problems in the textbook. Have you understood? Shall we move to the next one? Come to the next one. 5 into 2 minus 3x minus 17 into 2x minus 5 is equal to 16. 5 into 2 minus plus into minus 5 into 3x minus into plus minus 17 into 2x minus into minus plus 17 into 5 is equal to 16. Now 5 2s are 10 minus 5 2s are 15x minus 17 2s are 34x plus 17 5s are is 85 is equal to 16. Now observe this carefully. 10 minus 15 minus 34 is minus 15 minus 34 becomes minus 49. You have to add the greater number is 34. You have to put minus plus 85 is equal to 16. Now minus 49x 10 plus 85 is 95 is equal to 16. Now minus 49x is equal to 16 minus 95 minus 49x is equal to 16 minus 95 is minus 79. Now x is equal to minus 79 by minus 49. Now minus minus becomes positive. X is equal to 79 by 49. Have you understood? If x by 2 plus x by 3 is equal to 5, find x. Dear children, observe the problem carefully. X by 2 plus x by 3 is equal to 5. Then we have to find x. Solution. X by 2 plus x by 3 is equal to 5. Observe the denominators. Denominators are different. So we have to take LCM for 2, 3. 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1. 2 3s are 6. The LCM of 2, 3 is 6. Now let us substitute the LCM in the given equation. X by 2 into 6 by 6 plus x by 3 into 6 by 6 is equal to 5. 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 1s are 3 2s are. Now 3 into x, 3x by 6 plus 2 into x, 2x by 6 is equal to 5. Now denominators are same. 3x plus 2x divided by 6 is equal to 5. Now 3 plus 2 is 5x by 6 is equal to 5. Now 5x divided by 6 is equal to 5. Observe here, now we have to cross multiply 6 with 5. 5x is equal to 5 into 6. Now 5x is equal to 6 5s are 30. Now x is equal to 30 by 5. 5 1s are 5 6 are. Now the x value is x is equal to 6. Dear children, have understood? Now if for the value of x for given equation is 6. So if x is x by 2 plus x by 3 is equal to 5, find x, the value of x is 6. Dear children, I will send you homework problems and send you through WhatsApp. Dear children, please prepare for weekend test and get good marks. Dear children, please follow the government instruction to avoid the spreading of COVID-19. Wear mask, use sanitizer and maintain social distance. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.